Good morning, and today is day three of my 72-hour fast, and it's been I'd say it's been easy actually. It wasn't as hard as I thought it's going to hit me after a long time of not doing it. Um, yeah, I started rebooting my system last night at the 60th hours. Yeah, 60th hours. I started rebooting my system because I did not want to reboot it in the morning so that to avoid issues that may come up because of that when I'm going to work. So I started last night, and sure, I did the right thing, because if I tried that in the morning, probably would not have made it through a work today. Last night I had soup. That was about 7 or 6, 7, I think, around that. And I did not feel the effect as of immediately. And then about 3 hours later, about 10, I had a yogurt. All this to make sure that I'm restoring my system to start operations again, but to digest food. And sure enough, I think an hour later, I wanted to go to the washroom, which I wanted to go to, move bowels, which I haven't for days because there was nothing in my tummy, anyways. So yeah, I started feeling that, and yeah, throughout the night I felt that because I was kind of having a running stomach, not really running. Yeah, it was actually a running stomach. So yeah, that was rebooting the system throughout the night, and in the morning I had this breakfast right here. It's some eggs, some lettuce, and yeah, and some roasted fish. Is it roasted fish? You would call it that. Some salad there, and the salad contained a lettuce, rocket, and tomatoes, onions, and and the fish, and the roasted fish mixed all together. Yeah, so that was how I ended or broke my fast this morning. I think I took some time to see if there will be any reaction. Thank God there's none, because we rebooted last night and we had the whole night of that, creating good bacteria in the stomach so that you can start digesting food again. So if you're doing this for prayer or for something else, maybe for weight loss, for getting your body to heal itself, because our bodies do that. When you fast, for getting your body to dig into the stored fats, if you're doing it for that, that's good. I had my intentions were, it's something I had wanted to do for a while. I couldn't do it while breastfeeding because, of course, when you're breastfeeding, you can't do it. And now I got to get started on something I had done before. I do prayer and I do fasting for prayers, and I thank God that it works. It's an overhaul. It does good to my health, and at the same time, I get to connect with my creator. So yeah, it's been good. It's been amazing. I wanted to record day two, but I found myself running out of time. I had a busy schedule for that particular day. However, I did take a photo of me walking, and honestly, I did not have the energy, as you can see. I did not have the energy, honestly speaking. I don't even know why I was trying to walk. It's not, don't do it. Don't engage in physical activities when you are fasting. Don't do it. Well, I was walking to work, so that's inevitable, but I didn't have the energy. I tried as much as I can to avoid walking, and especially taking long walks. I had like a 10 minutes walk, but that is from where I alight to my home, which is that it's not something that can be avoided. So um, it's been good. It's been good. It has impacted me. I got started on writing again. I normally write. I got started on writing my own journals again. It's something I love, and reviewing things I want to do, things I want to put in front of me to remember, and things I want to keep reminding God. Because I have, okay, it's not, he knows, but if you don't ask, then you don't get. The word says it clearly, and yes, this is me asking in the best way I know how. through prayer. And I know He's a faithful God, and if you do it the right way for the right reasons, He is going to answer. And I don't think you need to be a pro at prayers for God to bless you. So try it, whether you're fasting or just kneeling down and praying whenever you have that private moment for yourself with your God. He's going to do it for you. So I do believe in everything that I prayed and everything that I got revelation about during this season, and I am hopeful and ready to receive. Because then, if you're not, how are you going to have the things that you want? This is the time you outline your troubles, like one by one, as they are clear and crystal, so that you know this is my problem and this is what I need resolved. I need guidance on how to go about it. I need to know what's available for me, and you will be surprised how your your solutions are already there. You just don't see them because your mindset isn't right, isn't aligned. You will be surprised how things are just there. You're just not seeing, or you're just too drowned in your troubles and thoughts, and probably even sinking to depression when your own solutions are right there with you. So I suggest you take a moment. I don't suggest you go fasting 72 hours for me, like me. For me, I had this planned out in my mind and my heart, and I was waiting for the right time, the right spirit to and have the environment for it. And this was perfect, and I got to do the things I wanted to do during this time, and I am so grateful. So grateful. Yeah, that's it from this video. I really hope that you stay around. If you want to know what I ate during this time, I think, yeah, I will leave the meals here. It's nothing really that you can't do yourself. If you want me to tell you on how, if you want me to I will leave the recipes. Not the recipes. Okay, I can leave the recipes on the description and the meal pictures at the end of this video, so that you get to see what I ate. First, I took bone broth last night. I had the whole night to reboot. After 3 hours, I took the yogurt. It's good bacteria. And this morning, I had two boiled eggs with some salad, with some lettuce, and those things that I said at the before this video. So see you in the next video.